Hi, and welcome to this channel where we are going to improve our coding skills by creating one project at a time. So for this first project, as our inaugural project, we're going to start with something simple. We're going to do a Unscrambler. And what that is going to be, imagine you're playing Scrabble. You have a random array of words, and we just want to see all the possible words that we can form. So I already have this coded, and I'm just gonna explain it really quickly and then run it for you so we don't hit the time limit. So first we have this function called Unscramble. We take in basically a string of characters. We're gonna set our result as a set. We're gonna use what is known as a trie, and what a trie is just a simple tree structure. We're gonna open up a word list that we have. These are verified words from the tournament word list, and we're just gonna add them to our trie. And once we have that, we're going to generate every single permutation from our character array. And we're going to use this by using the Python library iter_tools.permutations. And now once we have all these words, or at least candidate words, we're going to check if they are a word by checking with our trie. And then we're going to sort our result. And this is what the trie looks like. It's simply a trie node, a trie implementation, which is just add word. And for each word, we're going to split it into actual letters. And basically what trie is going to store is the actual letters themselves. And we have children. Each children is going to be the next letter. So for every word, if you imagine this tree would just add a single node. For example, hell and hello would actually be one node apart. Hello would just have one more node than just hell, and they're both words if we add them as words. And then we have this isWord function, which will check if the word we passed in is a word or not. If it's not a word, if it's not in our trie, basically if trie says it's not a word, then it's not a word. So now simply we can run this, and it takes a minute to parse through all the words in this list. But as you can see, we do have a list of words in alphabetical order. And well, that's it for today. If you have any questions, any comments, any ideas about future projects, please let me know in the comments.